Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Lennox, local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure your long-distance move occurs in a timely manner, free from worry. Whether you're moving one state over or you want to move across the nation, we're here to help you. Our moving solutions provide you all the best options to customize your move for your specific needs. Our experts handle all the important moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you need to hire a California moving company, rationalizing the cost may seem to be tough. However, when you begin to notice the conveniences, the expense seems well worth it. A reliable moving company is going to enable you to preserve time, regardless of how far you're moving. It will also keep you from needing to take care of heavy lifting. Our professional movers offer effectiveness with each and every move. You don't need to stress over devoting multiple days handling your move when you pick 3 movers to help. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can deal with even a huge move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lennox moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.